In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom link in Calendly. By the end, your Calendly events will automatically include a unique Zoom meeting link so invitees can join with a single click. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Calendly. Click the official Calendly result to head to the home page. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, go ahead and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if you manage multiple teams, so the integration applies where you expect. From your dashboard, look for integrations and apps. Depending on your view, you'll see this in the top bar or in the left-hand menu. Open it, and you'll see a catalog of apps that work with Calendly. Scroll or use the search within this page to find Zoom listed under Video Conferencing Integrations, then click it to open the Zoom integration page. Now select Connect Zoom. A Zoom sign-in window will appear. Sign in to your Zoom account and authorize Calendly to connect. This permission step lets Calendly automatically create unique Zoom meetings for each booking and attach the meeting details to your invites and calendar events. If you use single sign-on or have multiple Zoom profiles, be sure you're authorizing the correct account you want tied to these events. Once Zoom is connected, return to your Calendly dashboard and open the Event Types tab. Here, you'll see all the event types you offer, like 15-minute calls or 30-minute consultations. Choose the event type you want to update. Inside the event editor, scroll to the section called What Event is This? And click Location. This is where you choose how people will meet with you. From the Location dropdown, select Zoom. This tells Calendly to generate a unique Zoom meeting link every time someone books this event. It will also include the dial-in details and the join link in confirmation and reminder emails, as well as in the calendar Invite Your Guests Receive. This is a great way to eliminate manual copying and pasting of meeting links. When you're done, click Save and Close to apply your changes. That's it for this event type. If you have other event types, repeat the same location change so they all use Zoom. A quick tip. After saving, you can preview the booking page to confirm the location shows Zoom, and skim a sample confirmation to see the link included. If you ever need to switch platforms later, you can return to the same location setting and choose a different option. You've now connected Zoom to Calendly and set it as the location for your event, ensuring every booking includes a ready-to-use Zoom link.